Is it possible to purchase TalkBox.Mom through the Step Up for Students Scholarship, the Gator Scholarship, Utah Fits All, Interior Distance Education of Alaska, also known as IDEA, Texas Educational Freedom Accounts, ESAs or Educational Saving Accounts, Umbrella or Charter Schools, or through Odyssey or ClassWallet? What did I forget? The answer is yes. I'll share with you the ins and outs and what to do if you hit a snag. Hi, I'm Adelaide from TalkBox.Mom, where we help you to start talking in another language the same day you start the program. There are different ways to purchase our full foreign language curriculum or parts of it from different programs. So let's jump in. First, let's start with your family and make sure you're purchasing the right programs for you. Most families start with our signature box program and our phrase book called Use Spanish at Home or Switch Out Spanish for whichever language you're working on. This is different from the boxes, but goes along with them really well. And our Power Practice Planner, which gives you the power to plan or record your child's work in our program. If your child is in high school, you can use the High School Instructor's Guide, which comes with the Power Practice Planner. If your family is working on one language together, you only need one set of our signature box program, phrasebook, and Power Practice Planner for your entire family. This makes it a great investment because you can use it across children. Some families do purchase a Power Practice Planner for each child, but it's not necessary because you complete the same practice sessions together. Our Signature Box program is a series of 9 experiences that include language guides delivered to you in a 9-box series. You can see the 9 boxes here, one for each experience. They focus on different topics and go in a specific order because they build on each other. And unlike other language programs, you actually work through the experiences several times to go deeper with new material as your confidence increases. This means you invest once in each box and then use the boxes for years and years. When ordering, you can order the entire 9-box experience in one payment, which usually gives you the best pricing depending on your marketplace. Or you can purchase 3 to 4 boxes one year and more the next year. To do this, simply use the same email address for all your orders. Our team always looks up your account when your order is placed to see if it's a new purchase of the Signature Box program or a continuation of the Signature Box program in a specific language. This means that if you order 4 boxes the first year and then 5 boxes the next year with the same email address, you will receive the next 5 boxes in the sequence the second year. Our team is extremely helpful. So if you decide to order, say, 2 boxes with one child, 3 boxes with another child, and 4 boxes with your third child using the same email address, they will continue to add the boxes in your series for that language. If you order different languages, each order will be added to the next box in the sequence for that specific language. Keep in mind that our licensing for the app is for your immediate family to work through the program and keep track of your family's progress. So if one of your children wants to start learning a language one of your other children is already learning, that's just fine. To find us in your charter school or marketplace, please type in TalkBox.Mom, TalkBox.Mom into the search. We should be listed under curriculum, but if you don't see us there, check enrichment. If you can't find us for any reason, reach out to support@TalkBox.Mom. We'll help you find us. If we're not already an approved vendor with your charter or state's program, my team will prioritize your request. Now, let's say everything is good. You've searched and found us. Now you need to decide how many boxes you would like for this school year. If you're using our program with a high school student, we recommend ordering all 9 boxes. You will be able to work through all 9 boxes the first year, then loop back through the 9 boxes the second year with new material you didn't work on the first year, and then optionally loop back through the third year again with new material. Our high school instructor's guide that comes with the Power Practice Planner has this schedule as well as optional testing and cultural assignments. For this schedule, you'll be practicing every school day with your practice time broken into 2 blocks. If you would like to practice 4 times per week, we recommend ordering 4 boxes for the first year, and 5 boxes for the second year. After that, you'll be more confident to loop through all 9 boxes the third year at a faster pace with new material. We do ship the boxes one at a time unless notified, so depending on how many boxes you purchase for the school year and how much time is left of the school year, we'll set up your pacing to work for you. If you ever want to change your shipping speed, you'll find that right inside your account. Now, if you're filling out a purchase order with a charter school, again, be sure to use the same email address each time. Then note the language and number of boxes. With your orders, don't forget to add the phrase book, use Japanese at home or whichever language that you're working on, and the Power Practice Planner. You can also add other programs that you can see at TalkBox.Mom/charter. I'll link that below. I recommend the Ice Cream Scoops printable if you have children who will speak Spanish for ice cream. And if you homeschool, you have to add in our homeschool phrases. It's similar to the phrase book where you're adding the language to little moments in your day, but in this case, you're adding a new language to little moments in your homeschool day for a big impact. Our boxes go so much deeper, so these all pair really well together. Now, if you get stuck at any point, let us know. We're a real team that wants to hear your family talking in another language, so we'll be on standby to help you out. If you'd like our Fluency Family Roadmap PDF, click here. If you want more videos on family language learning, travel with kids, and how to build a fluency family, make sure you hit subscribe.